Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you make sure that your public profile is visible. Like what do you do in case your public profile is not viewing. So first of all we're gonna first of all you need to make sure one thing, that your Snapchat application is up to date. So I'm gonna go to my settings. Oh sorry, my bad. I'm gonna go to my app store and I'm gonna search for Snapchat. Once I am here, now you see how it says update next to Instagram, but it says open to Snapchat. So if it says update, then you definitely need to update, and then you can update it, and then you can open your Snapchat and you can retry. But in our case, it's already up to date, and you can actually see the profile here. You see it says my public profile. But what do you do if you want to make sure that nothing is wrong? You go to your settings and you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom. Rather, just stop where it says privacy controls, right? And now in some cases you need to just try playing with the privacy controls. Like you can set your you can set your story to everyone, right? You can who can contact me, everyone can contact me. You can do that. And these are the kind of stuff sometimes that can help others to view your public profile. Or you can just, first of all, you need to make sure that you actually have a public profile. Right now I do have a public profile, that is why I'm seeing these options. But for some people, they don't have their public profile set up yet. So you need to make sure that you have your public profile set up, and then you can edit your profile here and save a story and some other kind of stuff, and you should be able to access your public profile. Like others should be able to see your public profile. If all of this does not work, you can always access support from right here, and then you can Snapchat can help you out in whatever the problem is. But I assure you, all of this should be enough. And in some cases you could also use VPN, because maybe for some countries this feature is not yet supported, and you could try connecting to a country like the USA, and that should do it. So I hope this video was helpful. That was it. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.